Hello everyone. Let us start Unit 8 Adverbs in the practice book. So as we have discussed earlier in the previous video about adverbs, adverb is a word which describes or modifies a verb, an adjective and an adverb. So let us start with worksheet 1 on page 61. In this worksheet, there is a form given by a new teacher of Raghav. Raghav has joined a new school and he misses his previous teacher, Miss Shireen. Now, the new teacher, she wants to know that why he misses Miss Shireen so much. So, she has given a form to him and he has to fill it by using words from the aid box given above that. So, the first question is, how many times did she give you homework? This is about Miss Shireen and Raghav has to answer them. So, he says that sometimes. Next question, how did she listen to your problems? Patiently. कैसे सुनती थी वो? Patiently. So how did she speak while teaching? Clearly. How did she teach? Well. How many times did she allow you to play games? Sometimes. How many times did she point out your faults? Often. How many times did she get angry? Rarely. And how many times did she smile? Always or often. So these all answers are given by Raghav. Now here you can see that all the questions, they are about how, kaise. Now let us come to worksheet 2. In this worksheet we have to match column A with column B, and in column A we have to underline the action word or verb. As you can see clearly, all the words in column B are adverbs and they are adverb of manner. As you can see, all are ending with ly, and adverb of manner, they show us the manner in which the action is happening. So let us start. In column A, first sentence is, the nurse held the baby tenderly. Nurse ने बच्चे को बहुत ही प्यार से पकड़ा, and the verb here is held. Number 2, the man shouted angrily. एक आदमी जो है वो बहुत गुस्से से चिल्लाया, and the verb here is shouted. Number 3, the child watched the cartoon film happily, and the verb in column A is watched. Number 4, he was late for school, so he walked hurriedly. Number 4, the verb is walked. Number 5, the old lady climbed the staircase slowly, and climbed is the verb here. Number 6, grandmother listened to the children patiently. Listened is the verb here. Number 7, the boys clapped for their team excitedly. In number 7, clapped is the verb. Number 8, the mother kissed her child lovingly, and the verb here is kissed. Now what we have to do? We have to write down the complete sentence, that is making a complete sentence from column A and column B, and we have to write down in the space provided below this. So the first one is already done. First, the nurse held the baby tenderly. So we have to write down the complete sentence and full stop in the end. All the words that we have underlined, they are action words, and in column B they all are adverbs, adverb of manner. Now on page number 63, let us see how the question starts with how. Means all the answers, they are describing the verbs, that is the action words, and they all are telling us how the action takes place. So these all are adverbs of manner. They all are describing the action words. So the answers we have already done on page 62, worksheet 2. So we have to answer them here again. That how did the nurse hold the baby? She held him tenderly. How the man shout? Angrily. So how did the child watch the cartoon film? Happily, hurriedly, slowly, patiently and excitedly. So this we have already done in worksheet 2. Now these words that describe the action words, they are called adverbs. Now coming to worksheet 3, there is a dialogue between Rohini and the school principal. The principal says, Rohini, I am very angry with you. Sir, I am sometimes late. No, you are always late. I live quite far from school, so I frequently get late. You are so careless. I will have to punish you today. I am sorry, sir. Now, on the basis of the dialogue between the principal and Rohini, what we have to do? We have to answer the questions given on page 64. So, number 1, according to the principal, how often is Rohini late? Always. Principal thinks she is always late. Why does the principal plan to punish Rohini? Because she is always late to school. She always comes late to school. Number 3, according to Rohini, how often is she late? According to Rohini, she is sometimes late. And number 4, how far does Rohini live from school? She lives very far from, quite far away from the school. So all these words that we have written in the, like always, sometimes, very, often, they all are adverbs of frequency. They are telling that how often does the action takes place. So today we will do till page 64 only, till worksheet 3, and next worksheet 4, 5, and do it worksheet 6 and do it yourself. We will continue in the next video. So thank you so much. Do write all the things in your book with a pencil neatly. Thank you so much. Have a good day.